You can color grade your video footage with Lightroom or any other photo editing software. Let me explain. Hey, my name is Olli and welcome to FairFilter. In this video, I show you how you can create your own video filters or so-called LUTs with Adobe Lightroom or any other software. But first, let me explain what LUTs are. LUT stands for Lookup Table. Now let's imagine you're standing in the middle of a beautiful field of flowers. You see hundreds of beautiful flowers. Green flowers, blue flowers, red flowers, even pink flowers. The reflecting sunlight of each flower is hitting your eyes with specific color information these flowers have. Now you'll take out your cool sunglasses. Suddenly, the reflecting light of each flower is hitting your cool sunglasses. Those will change that specific information into new information. And all of a sudden, a flower that was red before turns into an orange flower. Or a flower that was green before will change into a blue flower. The flowers are the pixels of your footage and your cool sunglasses are the lookup tables, changing each color into a new one. That's basically what LUTs do. This is a halt CLUT. CLUT means color lookup table and halt means, well, I don't know. All you need to know is it's a JPEG that contains the whole palette of colors. First you need to create a halt CLUT image file. But how, you ask? Well, there's an app for that and it's free. LUT Generator from IWLTBAP. IWLTBAP. Link in description. Download and start the LUT Generator and click on Generate a Halt. Congratulations, you created a halt CLUT. That was easy. But what do I do with this? You ask? Well, there's an app for that and it's... just kidding. Import the generated halt CLUT file into Adobe Lightroom or any photo editing software of your choice. But it will help if your software has some kind of preset function, because editing a picture with a bunch of colorful pixels wouldn't give you the results you might expect. Put any preset you like over the halt CLUT file. Or, for example, take a screenshot of your video footage, put it into Lightroom or any other photo editing software and tweak the colors as you like. Or even better, use the presets of my FairFilter preset pack with over 20 presets for Adobe Lightroom. Link in description. Link in description. Now use your preset on the halt CLUT file. But remember, you are only working with colors here. Things like sharpness or vignette won't work with a halt CLUT. Only color corrections. After you made your edits or put a preset on the halt CLUT, export it as a new JPEG file. Go back to the LUT Generator and click on Convert to Cube. Cube is the mostly used file format for LUTs. Select the color-corrected halt CLUT file and click OK to export to a cube file. Now you can use that cube file as a LUT on every known video editing tool that's capable of using LUTs. So if you learned something, maybe like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Like, for example, how can I use a LUT file in editing software or something like that. I think you can even Google that. See you in the next video.